In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate an invoice and create a copy. If you regularly bill clients for similar work, duplicating an existing invoice is a quick way to save time and maintain consistency. We'll walk through the simple process, and I'll share a few tips along the way to help you avoid common mistakes. First, navigate to your invoicing area by clicking Invoices. You'll usually find this in the main navigation or sidebar of your billing or accounting tool. This takes you to your list of existing invoices, where you can see recent activity, statuses, and totals at a glance. Next, open the invoice you want to replicate. Take a moment to confirm it's the correct one by reviewing key details like the client, the service description, the amounts, and the date. Duplicating the right invoice means most of the work is already done for you. Now, look to the top right of the invoice for the More Actions menu. Depending on your interface, it might appear as a button labeled More Actions or as an icon with 3 dots. Click it to reveal additional options related to this invoice. From that menu, select Duplicate. This creates a new copy of the invoice based on the original. Typically, the system will open the copy in an editable state so you can make quick adjustments before saving or sending. With the duplicate open, edit details if needed. This is your chance to tailor the invoice to the current job or client situation. Common updates include changing the invoice date and due date, adjusting line items, quantities, or rates, and reviewing any discounts or taxes. If the platform auto-generates an invoice number for the copy, verify it looks right. You can also refresh the reference or purchase order field and update any notes or payment terms so they match the new engagement. Give everything a careful read to ensure totals are accurate and that nothing from the original invoice carries over unintentionally. When you're satisfied, decide how to finalize it. Click Save. If you want to keep the invoice as a draft or add it to your records for later, click Send. If the invoice is ready to go to your client, sending will deliver the document using your default method in the system, and you'll typically see the status update to confirm it was sent. That's it. You've created a new invoice copy without rebuilding it from scratch. This simple workflow helps you move faster, stay consistent, and reduce errors across repeat billing.